So the lights have warmed up here a little bit. Doesn't look bad on video, but again, that one's not plugged in. Just not bright enough here. On the other side of the shop, the walls are painted white. We've got drywall and much more lighting. This side definitely needs some work. So today we're gonna try and fix that with the LED Chinese shop light special. Get ready, this looks like fun. Okay, so what we have here is the LED shop light, 36 watts. There are 12 of them here in the box. This was relatively cheap, eBay special, about $139, free shipping, and we're gonna see if they're gonna brighten up the shop here. All right, so light strip's about 4 feet long. We've got a mounting point here. Another mounting point here on this side. Here's a cord, has a built-in toggle switch. Here on this side, we can daisy chain them together. All right guys, so here's the hardware. You choose to use the 2 hooks here. It has some short, about 9-10 inch chains included. We've got the slide-on brackets, which will slide onto this point here. They just kind of clip into place, like so. I think those are the ones that I'm going to try and use. And screws to mount this bracket with. If you were going to install them into drywall, that's what these are for. However, I will not need those. I will try these screws, however they are kind of short, only about 1 inch in length. I may swap those out for some 1.5 inch wood screws, as I will be mounting them into my wood ceiling here. pause here. Since I have my old style lights there in the back and I want everything to look the same, what I'm gonna do is take those down and replace those with the LED fixtures. And I'm going to try and match them up the best I can on both sides. As you can see in the video, I am using a drill to drill pilot holes. I did go with the chains and the hooks. I'm drilling pilot holes for the hooks so that they screw into the ceiling easier, and I'm going to continue working on that now. Alright guys, so we got 8 of the 12 lights up. I still have my old-fashioned lights here, but I have disconnected all of the other ones. Trying to figure out the placement of the last 4, and I think I'm going to put some horizontally here. So that's here in just a moment. Okay guys, so it's nighttime now, and I wanted to show you the difference from the 2 different garages. On the right side, I had previously thought I had good lighting in there, had old fluorescent style tube lighting. We'll walk in and I'll show you what's going on in there. So on this side we have a light here, we've got some more in the back, and I've got one that's not plugged in there. But I had previously thought that I had enough lighting in this garage, that it was bright enough. But if you back up, you can clearly see that the left-hand side now is much brighter. And so of course in this side, we installed the 12 lights, $139 eBay special. I've got the other 2 lights up here, just so you can kind of see all of them. But guys, 139 bucks. Took me 1 day to install them. Everything you needed was included with the kit. You can hook up to 6 fixtures daisy chained together. I did 4 on that side and 5 on this side, but 139 bucks, I'm satisfied. Got really good lighting in here. Impressed with the overall product, and hopefully they'll last. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.